series. James is around. Anyways, I just got ready for the day. I'm all dressed, and I wanted to show you some quick and easy, healthy breakfast recipes. It might take a little bit longer because when he's home, it always throws me off, but we're going to be doing some eggs. So we grabbed butter, pre-shredded cheddar cheese. We do it in a food processor, but you can buy it in a package if you want. We just like Tillamook from Costco, so if you're a Tillamook fan, whoop whoop. And then we have our organic eggs from Costco. And then James pre-cooks bacon, but if you don't pre-cook and you're wanting it to be fast, you can just have some ham, some pre-cooked sausage, and I'll provide some links below with products I recommend. So this is real time. I'm going to do everything I can not to edit or fast forward so you can see. I'm messing it all up.
I am.
You're messing it all up. What did you do?
No, just, I think you were going to do it differently. Just whatever.
You mean by you talking to me, it's messing me up?
No.
No? Are you sure?
I'm saying that I figured you'd probably want to do like a separate thing with the eggs being cracked and all beautiful and all that shit.
You're so articulate, love. Alright, so James is cooking his over easy eggs, and I'm going to do my scrambled eggs that I like to do. I'm getting out heavy whipping cream. I've talked about this brand before. It's organic. We have half an avocado from Costco, and then pre-cut pico de gallo to make it easier. So everything's already sort of pre-done, so it makes it easier to use. I feel like I should be talking into the camera instead of way over here in the fridge.
Whatever.
So, James, you're using all the pans.
I'm using two.
You're using all of them.
I'm using 2 pans.
So, here's my pan.
I need that one.
You need that one? So I have my Kerrygold butter. I'm just going to take a little bit. James uses it for bulletproof coffee, and he is too cool to cut on the tablespoon marks that's on the butter. He has to use a circular tablespoon because he likes to aggravate me. That's a human being.
No, that's not
yes,
at all true.
that's not true?
Nope.
So why do you do that for your bulletproof coffee? That actually could be another breakfast video. Let me know if you want bulletproof coffee.
I don't use that butter at all for my coffee.
Well, then why does it have little circles in it?
It doesn't.
Yes, it does.
I use the fork to take a chunk.
Yeah, it's not straight from a butter knife.
I know,
And what do you use it for?
I don't need an entire tablespoon to lube a pan.
I don't know. You used to do it with like the tablespoon until I showed you the little marks on it.
No, I cut the marks. Well, yeah, that's right. I did do that before, but I used a stick because the stick is easy.
A stick is easy?
Yes.
Oh, sorry, Hobie. See, our cats are the worst about being underfoot, and I don't even feel the least bit bad about kicking them. Get out of my kitchen.
Who are you talking to?
Who am I talking to? The camera.
But you're like looking away from it, and you're not looking at me. Raw,
and I paused it because he's making fun. He's like, who are you talking to? Like, I'm embarrassed now. Okay, so I'm going to take this avocado. I'm going to take out the stick.
Wait.
Do you need another one?
Let's just cut a fresh one.
Okay, since we're sharing, we're going to cut a fresh one. We'll leave this for our taco salad, which is another one of our easy go-to ones.
That'll be dinner.
We can do dinner video. We'll do a dinner series.
Yep. Quick
and easy go-to meals. I actually have one. Meatloaf is one of our easy ones. So
I'm so aggressive.
I'm so aggressive?
With the cutting.
With the cutting?
Yeah.
Why are you critiquing me today, huh?
It's just...
So I go like this.
How many eggs?
How many eggs? 2, please. Actually, 1. I always overdo it. Do 1.
It's not an even number.
It's not an even number? Is that relevant or important?
Extremely.
Oh my gosh.
Now there's an uneven number of eggs in the carton. It's horrible.
Can you tell James has slight OCD? Just the slightest. So anyways, I'm just whisking this up together. I try not to use plastic, but James likes them. I think it's bad for the environment. So I will have my wooden spatula that I will use on the side. Actually, I'll use a round one to get off the edges.
The plastic flexes, and you need that to flip an egg.
I can do it with a metal one.
Yeah, but then you scratch the nonstick off and then eat the nonstick.
Which is why we need to get rid of
non-stick.
Yes. Non-stick is bad for the environment. Something smells like it's burning. Uncut, raw, unedited. My toe hurts. Okay.
Now we play the waiting game.
Now we wait. I'll usually do dishes at this time, or I'll prep my lunch meals.
She's lying. She doesn't do dishes.
Okay, so James will do dishes, and then I will cook.
Good. I don't know what that means.
It means that the Mac decided that it couldn't record anymore.
That's why you need a Microsoft.
That's what. No, fuck Microsoft. Okay, so James is cutting his eggs now, and so instead of being like little circular ones, he has like weird triangle eggs.
Well, I cut it in a line. It makes it easier to spatula.
To spatula. Is that a verb now?
To spatulize.
That's not a word either, Mr. I.
If I can say it, it's a word.
If you can say it, it's a
That's how that works.
This is mornings with us. Alright,
This is pre-breakfast grumpy.
This is pre-breakfast grumpy.
Is this one mine?
Do you want me to cut it for you?
No.
No? Do I do it wrong?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna grab some water. Do you want water?
Nope.
Nope. Do you want coffee?
Nope. You want a seed?
Nope. We tried growing it before.
I remember.
You remember? Alright.
Just sat there.
I asked him before the video, I'm like, do you want to put a shirt on? And he just said no. So my sister's like, why is James always shirtless? Because
I'm always shirtless.
Because that's how he lives his life. On the edge.
One exposed nipple at a time.
Alright, so I kind of work the eggs on the side.
Free the nipples!
It's ridiculous. Okay, if you want to make this a little bit faster, you could also use like a convection oven. And so if you have a oven-safe dish, like a small one, you can put all of this ingredients in there and then just cook it and walk away. You don't have to worry about flipping it or making it perfect. If you want some mug-style, like super quick and easy recipes, I can do some of those too. They're so frothy and delicious. James, your bacon is cooking. I'm going to add some of my bacon to it.
I can hear it.
You can hear it? So 2 strips of bacon. Like I said, I'll put some like easy.
Hey now, get your bacon on my bacon. My bacon's done.
Nope.
You want to tell her what I'm doing?
Alright, so
They're done.
tell her. Well, most of these videos.
Tell whoever is watching what I'm doing.
Why don't you show it to the camera? Practice talking. He makes it like green eggs and ham.
I do.
That's what he thinks every time. He likes to smush his avocado, which we add for extra fat, and it's really, really healthy and good for you. And his eggs. I think that's like the grossest thing ever.
It's delicious.
It's so gross.
No, it's just scrambled eggs and avocado. You don't really taste the difference.
I do. Mine are chopped into perfect bite-sized pieces. This is some Himalayan pink salt that we.
You could eat avocado straight. I could not.
Oh, I eat avocado like. And then to add some extra spice, because I'm doing a salsa cheese-inspired kind of like Mexican dish, I guess. It's just something I made up. Sometimes I'll put on.
It's Mexfist.
Mexfist. I'm gonna put a little bit, just like the tiniest bit of garlic salt, but you can also put like taco seasoning. And then I like to top it off with some Tabasco sauce. I love green Tabasco sauce. I just go crazy with it because I'm such a foodie. I'll even make a little breakfast.
You want cheese?
Burrito. I can do a breakfast burrito series too.
You want cheese?
Yes, sir.
I picked up too much.
Whee!
No,
So our shredded cheese. You like take up the whole frame. Do that. Say that again. You're so huge. Ah! You can't even see your head.
Phrasing.
Phrasing.
By the way.
Yeah, well, I'm not gonna knock that either. All right, so gonna turn off the oven or the stove, I guess. Push. I just like to push it now that I've cut it, and it just comes out in nice little pieces. You can put the spices on the avocado too, which is good.
You could, but you could also just mash it all into a nice paste.
Nice. That's so gross. Ew. All right, I'm gonna use the same fork that I used to whisk the eggs. I just rinsed it off.
Yeah.
And some
Conservation of dishes.
Since James does do the dishes, this is a big concern of his.
It's true.
Come here, come show him your food before we eat it. So, real time, what was it, like 10 minutes? And it takes longer because he and I talk and stuff.
Well, we pre-cooked the bacon just for ease of, it's breakfast time. I don't want to wait for bacon to cook, so I just reheat it.
It tastes the same. It doesn't mess with the flavor at all.
Nope. Bacon is amazing like that.
I need to make those, I'm trying so hard to get this in real time, and it keeps dropping the frames, and I don't know why. But, here's our food. We need to both be in it for like a... Stop! We're gonna go eat now. Our delicious breakfast. That took us 10 minutes.
In 3D now.
In 3D.
Put on your glasses.
But go ahead. Please subscribe if you like this video. Like and comment. Share with your friends. It means
Do
a lot to
it.
me.
Just do it! Gotta put that Shia LaBeouf video in after.
Anyways, this is our breakfast. See you later.
Dude!
Why? No. Are you burning your mouth? Okay, short is good.
I just had to hold the cheese booger.
A cheese booger? You're still out of frame. You need shorter. Shorter.
You need
shorter.
to grow.
I
You need to get your stool.
Okay, we'll back it up. We'll back it up. You're too short. No, we need to be closer. Come here. Come here.
Hair.
Your hair. Stop it. Put the food up.
Oh, that. We're still doing that?
We're still doing that.